The cryptocurrency market has experienced another big crash. What's happening? As I'm recording this video, BTC fell below 49,000, ETH fell below 2,200, and the entire crypto market was liquidated for more than 800 millions in 24 hours. Whether it's mainstream coins or altcoins, everyone is bleeding red. This weekend has been hard on all of us. Before anything, I want to say I personally still think that the market will warm up and the bull market will come sooner or later. As for why I say that, I'll explain it in detail at the end of the video. But now, let's first talk about what caused this crash. From what I can see, there are a lot of reasons. But I think these reasons, sure, they have a certain impact on the crypto market, but some of them don't actually have that big of an impact. If you look at them separately, they are all temporary for the crypto market. But what we saw this weekend is that they were all concentrated together, coming at the same time. Let me talk about what I think are the most important reasons. There are two of them. The first one is at the macro level, like the US unemployment rate, Buffett selling stocks, the US stocks plummeting, global stock markets plummeting too, one after another. The first signal we got was the United States announcing the unemployment rate, which rose to 4.3%, and that was a catalyst for the market panic. And at the same time, Buffett's Berkshire has been selling stocks continuously, and its holdings in the United States have dropped by nearly 50% compared with the first quarter of 24, which is worth about 88 billion US dollars. Then the entire US stock market, along with the Asian and European stock markets, began to fall sharply. The stocks of world giants such as Intel, Microsoft, Google, and Adobe all fell. Intel even fell by nearly 30% in a single day. And at the same time, the Bitcoin spot ETF also set the highest outflow in the past 3 months. Only gold futures hit a new ETH during this crash. So yes, we got a crypto crash. But the crypto news were not that big of a factor. The most important thing is just that the global market feeling is not good, and that impacted us. That being said, I'd like to use those events to criticize the US government. The longer the high interest rate is maintained, the more serious the damage to the entire market. The stock market and the entire crypto market are all paying for the long-term high interest rates in the United States. That should end. So yeah, no surprise, we took a hit. And it wouldn't surprise me either if the downfall would continue. But if you hold Bitcoin spot, I think there is no problem because I'm still very confident in the entire crypto market, especially Bitcoin. But if you are trading futures, you'd better consider your investment situation and maybe make some adjustments. Shout out to those trading with high leverage. Anyway, another reason in the crypto market this time is that jump trading appears to be selling large amounts of ETH. Jump trading is a well-known crypto market maker, and they are currently redeeming a 410 million WST ETH into ETH and then transferring them to centralized exchanges. Everyone is speculating what's happening with them. But I have to say something, which is also one of the reasons why I still have confidence in the crypto market. That is, the entire crypto market is now actually highly manipulated. And this information is likely to be deliberately released by these market makers. Because you can clearly see that crypto is now increasingly accepted. Trump has even announced in a very bold way that he wanna be the first crypto president. So I think market makers and the biggest investors must hope that more people will enter this market. That's why I personally think they will pull the market up afterwards. A market increasingly accepted by the masses. Would they really be willing to give it up? No. Would they crash it to buy lower and then afterwards pull it back up? Yeah, maybe. In addition, in the coming weeks and months, there will be interest rate cuts in the United States. CZ will be released from prison and the US election is coming. These are all likely to be favorable events. So combined with the above reasons, what I think is that the crypto market may continue to be sluggish for a while, sure, yeah. It may even fall again. But no matter how negative the news are, how frightening it is, as long as there is still this long-term positive frame, the bull market will definitely come sooner or later. And you know, everyone is panicking right now. But I think sometimes panic is not necessarily a bad thing. If everyone was optimistic and believed that the bull market is coming, then the bull market would most likely not come. On the contrary, when everyone is panicking and desperate, when they all think that the entire market will not get better, it's usually at that time that it, in fact, does. The crypto market is just like that. It is that counterintuitive every time. So yeah, that's all for today. It was my analysis of this weekend crash. Subscribe if you want to survive the next one.